My name is Michael. I'm a chef. We're about to make some smothered featherbones today.
So we got the featherbones. How many pounds?
About 2 pounds or so. Got our butter over here for our roux. I think we got our red onions here and our minced garlic. We got chicken powder over here.
Chicken bouillon. Oh.
The spice blend over here. We got onion powder, cumin, garlic, and a little paprika, and that magic spice in the middle. That's some MSG. Parsley, oregano, thyme. Salt and pepper. This is about, I would say, 1.5 cups worth of flour.
Okay.
We'll mix all this stuff together.
Oh, get it down a little. Oh yeah, then we do the B-roll like this. They be like, oh yeah, that's dope as shit, yo.
All right, now that we have our ribs seasoned over here, and we're gonna let these sit for a little bit while our pan gets hot, and then we're gonna start cooking these off. So.
All right, everybody. I'm doing surround sound for they'll be like, damn.
Yeah, that's hot.
He got his old elbow. You got to do this shit with your elbow when you fuck around with the featherbones.
You got to.
Yeah, you can't just be all willy-nilly back and forth. You got to turn your whole body to get that shit going. Damn, how you do that shit? I done burnt up 4 packs of butter trying to do that shit.
Brown butter's the way to go. All right, now we're cooking this right here. Just get a little color on there. It's starting. Okay. More butter.
God damn. Video sponsored by Big Dairy.
We're going to add some onion. 3 garlic cloves.
Y'all, big garlic house, yo.
And here with the whisk, our chicken powder here. Going to add that in.
Chicken powder.
There we go. The flour's going to soak up all that butter, right? It's going to get real thick. We're going to start with this amount. You want that sizzle, and you want to scrape.
Yep. Yeah, this shit got thick quick.
Yeah, buddy. That's why you only add in a cup of milk at a time.
Yeah. You want me to hook you up with some hot water?
Yeah, hot water be nice.
All right, let me see what I got over here.
Well,
damn, that shit look creamy than a mug.
You got the water here.
Oh yeah, it's got measurements on the side too, yo.
Right now,
ooh, that shit look fire.
At the stuff that I want to be at. Now,
I told you it was gonna pop out.
Our goal is to get the raw flour taste cooked out.
Oh, I got that shit too, yo.
Hell yeah. Now you give me an apron and shit.
Yeah, see? No, I just flop. Yeah. And you gotta come dressed for the party. You gotta get the durky hat. You gotta get that hat. Wow. Yeah. This is the very first time we have done this.
Very first time. We haven't done this 16
We didn't lose fucking video. Go ahead, man. Come on, man.
Like my cameraman was saying earlier, right?
Yep.
350.
350.
And we cooked it for about an hour. And after an hour, we'll take them out, we'll test it, we'll do the bend test. If it bends, breaking, not done yet.
It's not done yet.
But if it bends and breaks,
if it bends and breaks,
it's done. Done in about 2 hours so far now.
2 whole hours later.
A few moments later.
All right.
Package number 1.
Number 1. You hear this shit?
Package number 2.
Yeah, you don't get this shit in the other food channels. They don't get all up in there like that. They don't get up in there like that. Oh, look, he hardcore. He do that shit barehanded. Whoosh. It's got to be the thumbnail. Shit. Gotta be thinking ahead of time.
You know what time it is, right?
And that motherfucker
gotta do the
big.
snap test, right?
That shit is big. So that's what you talk about, the snap test, right? Oh shit.
This one falls apart.
He's just falling apart, yo.
That side right there too.
Look at that shit. That's just luscious, yo.
That's what you want to see. Just go in there, give a little twist.
Then we twisted out the bone. Just look, just bam.
Oh yeah, if you got
but it's gonna taste good.
high blood pressure, this ain't for you.
Just say, he said you can't have none. So after everybody eat, you can get a piece of bread and just scrape out what's dried off on the pan.
That's all right. You never do that. Just smell it. Just
smell it.
That's all you get.
We gonna see his plating skills, y'all. He can cook, but can he plate? Oh, I need make that shit. I'm gonna plate this shit up. You hear that shit when he picked up that knife? That shit said swing.
Right here, right? Always against the knuckles too. Okay. Down right here, and then slice it. 45-degree angle.
45. Ooh, no. I'll get that shit in slow motion. I'm gonna be like, this gonna sound like fucking Wu-Tang versus Shaolin. And
I like this piece here. I like that piece. That little guy there, and then
almost. But it's good. It's just one drop. It's Smothered Featherbones.
Yes, sir.
Straight from Omaha, Nebraska. This was the capital of Featherbone, capital of the world. Of the world, Craig.
Of the world.
All right, so to sum it up, look, we done missed all that goddamn footage. She was like, oh, it's so tender and juicy. And he is like, oh, yep. He's like, oh, it fell off the bone. Look, there go the bone, it fell off. All right. So you want to say something? What?
Well, I got a couple of things to say.
Yeah, you said something. What?
Yes. What? This is just everything I need to say right now.
Oh, damn. All right. Deuces.